I kind of made my first video. It was at the height of them getting some backlash on the internet. At least that's what I was seeing on like their social media pages. People complaining about shipping times or not receiving items or the quality of the items, which I think the quality, like, I thought that was hair. Oh my God. The quality of the items, the complaints that people had is like, I think was due to misunderstanding, people not understanding so much about natural products. So they have this little cute like black confetti in there in the package. Adorable. I did a very small order. A lot of the things I talked about in my other video, you know, some of the challenges that I had with my order, like it taking them forever. I am so happy to say that they've met my expectations so far. Just glancing into the box, I see that everything that I ordered is actually here. Thumbs up. It was a pretty small order, but still, I feel like that's definitely an accomplishment, or definitely in the email they said, you know, during times when we're running a promotion, please allow 8 to 10 days. The time frame is even shorter if there's not a promotion running, right? They said we'll ship your order within 8 to 10 days, business days. Yadain shipped my order exactly 10 business days after I placed it, which is great. I have been using 3 kgs African black soaps. I had gotten 5 bars of that, and I've just been consistently using that along with their Shea Nalatica, which I think I have right up here. I love it. I might do I actually recorded, but I never posted a review on that. But the shea butter is almost run out, and I used up all the soap. And I have sensitive skin, but I like a little fragrance, especially, you know, we're getting into the summertime now, and I just want something that smells good, and that brought me back to Yadain. So I went ahead and ordered a few soaps from them. Some I have purchased before, some I haven't. So we have that plastic burlap bag that they ship things in. I already immediately off the bat noticed something different. It feels like there's a pouch in here instead of the plastic containers that they used to use. So I'll be interested to take a look at that and see how it goes. Also, something oh so simple, but that was missing from a lot of my previous orders. There's actually a packing slip here. It's like a few of those little things that have been concerns in the past, they have addressed, so that's always cool. As you guys know, I am not affiliated with Yadain. I do not work with them, for them. I am not sponsored by anyone. Y'all see, I don't even have enough followers to warrant that, but here we go. I got the Dead Sea Mud. There's another Dead Sea soap, but I actually got this one because it had the clays in it. So I'm kind of interested to see if you guys ever have used Yadain soaps before. They're so amazing. Like, no matter what you use to wash yourself, use a washcloth or like one of those net sponges or anything, the amount of dirt and dead skin, like, it just amazes me to look down in the shower and see like you're really getting clean with this soap. Even with the African black soap, I don't get the same effects as what I get with this Yadain soap. I always just rave about it, and I always notice like I always get compliments. Like, I start getting compliments about my skin when I use this soap in particular. This one, the mixed berry, is one that I have used a lot, probably the most consistently, and it has a very rich and like luxurious lather. Smelling it through the box, and even when you like take it out of the box, it doesn't have that much scent, but it's like once the water hits it, it smells so good. Oh wait, am I tripping? I thought this might be something new. If you comment down below. So a lot of times back when I lived nearby, I would go to their store in Philly and I would just buy stuff, you know, right there at the retail store. Now I'm several states over, so I have to order online. But in both situations, I don't think they ever had like this kind of packaging on the soap. I thought it was always just straight in the box, but maybe I'm just not remembering correctly. I don't know. But yeah, the point I was saying, it smells good here, but once you're in the shower, it's a whole experience. Now, let me see. So this might be helpful to some if you're new to Yadain, right? But maybe, I mean, even if you go to like Lush or what's another, probably Lush, or like some of the soaps that you might see in Whole Foods, places like that, natural soaps. You go to a farmer's market, someone made handmade soap. You're gonna see things like this. You're gonna see like color, like swirls of color. You're gonna see herbs sticking out. That doesn't mean anything's wrong with it. It doesn't mean it's whatever. Like, I would just say to anyone that's sort of new to natural skincare, give it a chance. You know, you might be used to things being white and all one consistency and all blended together and things like that, like Dove and whatever else. This stuff is so much better for you, the environment, for your skin. So it says on the box that it's 100% raw soap. There's no synthetic dyes or artificial colorants. Again, this one is the mixed berry and it is 100% cold processed. You can take a look at the ingredients here. The next one I got was the mango and raw oats. I've never used this one before, but I don't know. I just thought I would try it. I like just spending time on their website. That's something you could do too. Like whatever, any concern that you possibly have, they have a soap for that. Brightening, dark spot removal, aging skin, dry skin, eczema. I don't know what's going on outside. That didn't sound too good. Oh yeah, I know I'm gonna like this one. Soap. I feel like the shape of the soap has changed too. But yeah, I like to spend time on their website, just kind of reading over everything. And they do on the box too. You could pause that if you want it and just get some more information. Like they go in depth with explanations of the benefits of each and everything that is inside of the soap. And it's all clean ingredients. The final item that I bought, and now I'm wishing I will, like I said, I just didn't want to do a huge order, but I wish I got some, maybe some liquid soaps, but definitely I wish I got some moisturizers, but it's okay. Okay, this is totally different. So this is my scrub. Ba-da-ba. You know what's crazy? Speaking of natural stuff, like I've noticed myself just blurting out the McDonald's, and I do not eat McDonald's, but I would just say like ba-da-ba-ba-ba in the middle of anything. Like, why? I don't even know if that's their slogan anymore, but programming. Okay, so this one is not labeled, but I have my packing slip. That's right. Easy enough. Coconut coffee sugar scrub is the one that I bought. I got this stuff when they were having this 75% off sale. So altogether with shipping, I paid $32.20 for all of this. It is well worth it. If you were using $1 soap, bars of soap or whatever, going to the Dollar Tree, stop. Just stop right now. Even the so-called natural soap that's in the Dollar Tree, I mean, you know, sometimes it might be a stepping stone. It might be a switch. Like maybe you're switching from certain things to other things. I get it. And I'm not saying, like, by no means, you know, is the appearance of my skin perfect. So if you zoom in, you might not even need to zoom in right now. You can see, you know, you can see flaws and imperfections. But I will say, oh my gosh. Wow. I can't even describe this scent. Woo. It has, oh, it's so good. I can't wait to use this. Yeah, I'm not that great at describing scents, but this smells bomb. It's a bomb. This smells really good. What else can I think of? Yes, okay, so my order shipped exactly 10 days from when I placed the order, and I received it exactly, today's the 4th day since they shipped it from Philadelphia, and I live in Texas. They shipped using UPS this time. They used to use USPS, and I got tracking all along the way. Like, you know how sometimes you get a tracking, like a notification, like, okay, you know, your package arrived in your city at least. This time I got notifications when it was loaded on the truck. I got a notification when it was, or you know what I mean, the truck pulled off. I got another notification saying, hey, the truck's gonna pull up any minute. And then I got a delivery notification. So they went from like you know, your package just kind of being in limbo from the time it leaves Yadain to now you're going to know every step of the way that your package is on its way to you and when it gets there. So that's cool. The quality of everything still consistent, and that's what kept me hooked all of those years, even with, you know, whatever challenges and things went on. So yeah, striving for not perfection, but shoot, as close as I can get. And I'm speaking not only for, you know, myself as an individual, but probably all of us, Yadain as well. So I will definitely continue to support this company, realizing that there is no such thing as perfection, but they've gotten pretty damn close. And I'm probably gonna place another order like in a few minutes when I get off of here, because I need some lotions and stuff like that. Maybe some more scrub, some shampoo. My shampoo is low. So yeah, support Black business, y'all. If you have any questions about my experience with these products or anything else, just let me know. All right, y'all, peace.